Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into convention. 9 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Meeting. Which means an assembly of people for a particular purpose, especially for formal discussion. Meeting. For example, he stood up to address the meeting. Number 2. Gathering. Which means an assembly or meeting, especially one held for a specific purpose. Gathering. For example, a family gathering. Number 3. Conclave. Which means a private meeting. Conclave. For example, a conclave of American, European, and Japanese business leaders. Number 4. Chapter. Which means the governing body of a religious community or knightly order. Chapter. For example, the cathedral chapter requested consultation with other sees. Number 5. Conference. Which means a formal meeting of people with a shared interest, typically one that takes place over several days. Conference. For example, an international conference on the environment. Number 6. Forum. Which means a meeting or medium where ideas and views on a particular issue can be exchanged. Forum. For example, the UN could provide a valuable forum for discussions. Number 7. Congress. Which means a formal meeting or series of meetings for discussion between delegates, especially those from a political party, trade union, or from within a particular sphere of activity. Congress. For example, an international congress of mathematicians. Number 8. Assembly. Which means a group of people gathered together in one place for a common purpose. Assembly. For example, the Council of Nicaea was the largest assembly of bishops hitherto. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.